Yesterday I bought this salmon. I bought a whole fillet. I only needed about 3 or 4 fillets. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram at Bleu Kitchen. You should. I've made this before, but I'm gonna show y'all how I do it again. I'm gonna put a little Asian fusion twist on it. Something like a salmon bake. Let me show you what I mean. So, all I'm gonna do right now, just lay the fillet down, little scraps. It doesn't have to be pretty, it doesn't have to be perfect. Next, we're just gonna put a little sea salt. That's it, just a little. Cracked black pepper. Yeah, I like that. Nah, I'm just fucking with you. I'll probably put it in the oven at 450 for about 7 minutes. Then I'll turn on the broiler to get that crispy top that I need. All right, our salmon is ready. I let it cool off, room temperature. Don't wanna make a salmon salad hot as a bitch. Now, just gonna throw this salmon in here. Now, let's just mash this up. Perfect on the inside, crispy on the outside. That's gonna be fire. Okay, next, I'm gonna add some cilantro, green onion. That's mandatory. Now, we're gonna add some eggs, some boiled eggs. You mash them up real good, real fine. Listen, I know this is an Asian fusion type dish, but I like eggs, they like eggs. Anything egg goes in a tuna salad, salmon salad, that's just how I feel. So I added my Kewpie Mayo, like a whole bottle of Kewpie Mayo. Let's add some sesame oil. Gonna add some Sambal. Let's add a little bit of Sriracha, just a little bit. Let's add some salad supreme. Now let's mix this up. Now, let's get us a cake pipe bag. This is if you care about, you know, a good presentation. All right, now we're ready for the next step. Now, for the cucumber, just gonna take off some of this skin. I like to keep a little on. Don't ask me why, it's a look. Cut that, cut these sides off. Now we're gonna cut half. All right, now, let's just get these seeds out.
Swap the H and the S.
Let's add a little avocado. And if you want to be fancy, go ahead and put some of this spicy mayo down. Grab you a spoon. All right, so This is kind of like a salmon bake, but not really. You know, that viral salmon bake is not really like that, but it's like that. Let's see what it is, well. Bruh. This shit, you can taste the sesame oil, the sambal, the spice from the sambal. Kewpie Mayo has it so smooth and rich. The salmon is fire. You can taste that Sriracha. You can taste every ingredient in here. The rice, the jasmine rice, takes it over the top like, oh my God. Excuse me. Fuck. Damn. I don't know if I got any more. I got shit all over me, my fingers, my face. But, what the fuck? This is a must try. I don't care. This is the best lunch snack. It's kind of like the salmon bake, but with rice, with the cucumber. This is so fire. It's clean. It just tastes fresh and clean. Recipe down in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.